Excel in 60 seconds. In this episode, we'll be looking at the total row functionality for tables. To use this, we first need to click our table in order to show the Table Design tab inside the ribbon, located here. Once we click on the Table Design tab, we'll be able to see the table style options located right here. We then want to click Total Row. Once we click Total Row, we will get a new row on the bottom of our table here. When we click on a cell in the total row, we are able to change anything from the average. We can get the count. We can also get the maximum and minimum values, as well as the sum value. In this case, we can see that the values change automatically, which makes it a great tool for reporting data quickly in a pinch. Comment how you did.